This says to find the inverse of this function. So we're going to start with our typical process. We're going to change the f of x to y. Then I'm going to swap the x and the y. And then we're going to isolate y. So first I'm going to multiply both sides by this denominator. So of course, when we multiply the right side, it just cancels out. And the left side, it multiplies by the x. And now we could distribute, or we can just simply divide both sides by x because we're trying to isolate that y. So let's just divide by x. And then we get 1 plus a e to the negative by equals c over x. Next, I'm going to subtract 1. So let's do that up here. Okay, and now we're going to get rid of that a. So let's divide both sides by a. This equals c over ax minus 1 over a. Now we need to get this variable y out of the exponent. And to do that, we need to use logarithms. And since I have a base of e, the best choice is natural log. So I'm going to take natural log of both sides. And that allows me to bring the exponent down as a coefficient, negative by. And ln of natural log of e is 1. So it's literally negative by times 1, which equals natural log of this whole thing. Now my last step is to divide by negative b, and we get ln of c over ax minus 1 over a over negative b. So this is slightly different than the answers in the back of the book, so I'm going to show you how we go from this to that answer in the back of the book, but I just want to let you know this should be an acceptable answer. But what they've done, basically, they factored out 1 over a times c over x. Now it's just minus 1, right? So I factored that 1 over a out. And I still have negative b down here. Now, using my logarithmic properties, I can break this up. Since these two arguments are multiplying each other, I can break it up into a natural log of 1 over a plus natural log of c over x minus 1. And then ln of 1 over a is really ln, I know I'm running out of room here, but that's ln of a to the negative 1. And using our properties, I can bring that down as a coefficient. So it's really negative ln of a. So we're gonna write this up here. So now I have negative ln of a plus ln of c over x minus 1 all over negative b. And then all they did is they just multiplied everything by negative 1, numerator and denominator. So that flips the signs of each of these. And I'm going to use this little space right here to put in our final answer in function notation. So f inverse of x, or f to the negative 1 of x, equals, and then we got positive ln of a minus ln of c over x minus 1 all over positive b. So that's your answer. Done.